medyo limited ang aking Tagalog no, or Filipino. Ang pagkaintindi ko sa irregular kaduda-duda. Tama? Kaduda-duda, irregular. Ang counsel for respondent, if you can help me, it's in this translation, I'd happily welcome your translation. Unnecessary sa Pilipino, unnecessary, irregular.
Hindi pangkaraniwan.
Hindi pangkaraniwan. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan.
Your Honor, I with all due respect again, if you may just ask the question na lang po.
Sandali, preliminary, Your Honor, preliminary.
Because this is already,
Your
I
Honor,
think we
please.
all know what's happening here.
In any event, Your Honor, give me some leeway here. This is the last question before we break up for lunch, and considering
We ask for the ruling of the
the
court, Your Honor.
victory of Ayala, Your Honor,
Let
we're all in a
counsel-
happy mood.
Let counsel wind up with this, with
This
her
is the
direct
last question,
counsel
Your Honor.
correspondent. Let's give her some
Okay,
leeway.
I will-
We submit.
Unnecessary.
Let's help in translating more accurately.
Yes. Unnecessary, hindi kailangan. Excessive, labis. Extravagant.
Maluho.
Luho.
Ang nakalagay dito, bongga kaday. Extravagant. Bongga, extravagant. At lastly, unconscionable. Sabi na Attorney Virgil, kasuklam-suklam, unconscionable.